Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Baku, the dynamic capital of Azerbaijan, where ancient history meets modern design along the Caspian Sea. Located at the crossroads of Europe and Asia, Baku has long been shaped by trade, culture, and innovation. Home to more than 2 million people, it is the cultural and economic heart of the country. The city's skyline is unforgettable, blending the medieval Old City, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, with futuristic landmarks like the Flame Towers and the Haydar Aliyev Center. Stretching along the Caspian coastline, Baku offers scenic boulevards, seaside promenades, and stunning city views. Rich in oil and natural gas, Azerbaijan used its resources to transform Baku into a modern global city, while tourism and technology continued to grow. Visitors can explore historic palaces, ancient mosques, lively bazaars, and vibrant cultural spaces. From flavorful Azerbaijani plov and kebabs to warm hospitality, Baku offers an unforgettable experience where tradition, energy, and modern beauty come together beautifully.